There are four states of matter: solid, liquid, gas, and plasma. Each one of these must go through a change to become what they are. The four phases that the matter can go through are melting, freezing, evaporation, and vaporization. Melting. When energy is added to a solid, the particles will start to move faster. When the particles move faster, they collide with each other more, creating energy. They then transition into their next phase, which is a liquid, by using this energy. In this video, you can see an ice cube melting into water on the hot pavement on a sunny day. The sun's heat rays act as an energy source. The particles in the ice begin to move more, causing it to transition into a liquid. Freezing. Freezing is when a liquid becomes a solid. Energy is taken out, causing the particles' movement to slow down. The forces of attraction between the particles grow stronger, and they start to attach to each other. In this video, you can see water turning into ice through freezing. When the water is placed in a colder environment, energy is taken out of it. When the energy is removed, the particles will start to move slower. The particles in the water will bond and become tightly packed, creating a solid. In evaporation and vaporization, there is vapor pressure. Vapor pressure is different in each liquid and depends on the temperature. Vapor pressure is the pressure the liquid molecules exert to escape into the gas phase. Vaporization. Vaporization is when a liquid becomes a gas. Vaporization is affected by atmospheric pressure. The atmosphere contains air molecules that act as atmospheric pressure. The higher the atmospheric pressure, the more difficult it is for a liquid to vaporize. In this video, you can see water boiling. When water boils, vaporization occurs. There is a large amount of vapor pressure being applied to the particles because the temperature is so high. Some of the water will vaporize into gas. Evaporation. Evaporation occurs when some particles on the surface of the liquid have enough energy to overcome the forces of attraction between liquid particles. Evaporation takes energy from surroundings, giving the molecules energy and eventually changing them into vapor. Evaporation occurs below the boiling point, unlike vaporization. In this video, you can see water that is left out on the counter slowly and minimally evaporating. Since molecules in a liquid are always moving, some of the molecules in the water manage to escape the surface of the water, even though it is at room temperature and there is no energy being added or taken away from it. The escaping water molecules are then carried away as water vapor.